Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. So in this video, we're going to make a green tea scrub. Green tea is so good for your health. If you don't drink green tea, I highly suggest that you start today because it is filled with so many antioxidants. It helps brighten your skin, also helps with acne, and there are so many more health benefits. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start by making some green tea. I know a lot of people don't like to drink it because of the way it tastes, but once you add it to your routine, make it your habit to drink every day, it can be very good for you. So let's start with some sugar. I'm using brown sugar because it's very soft. You can use any type of sugar you like as long as it's not harsh, because when you use harsh type of sugar, it can make your face look red and cause rashes, which is not good for your skin. And now next we're going to add some honey. Honey is very good for your skin. And there goes some coconut oil. I'm going to list all the benefits at the end of this video for each of these ingredients that I'm adding. And now it's time to add the main ingredient, green tea. I'm going to add the bag that I just used. And also I've been saving up some bags from my last green teas in my fridge. I'm going to add all of those in too. And now I'm going to mix it. I added more ingredients and made a lot more so I can save for the next couple of weeks and reuse it. I'm going to store it in my empty pasta sauce jar. You can use any airtight container. So I'm going to use this applicator to apply all over my face and my neck. And next we're going to massage it in circular motions, focusing more on the areas with blackheads or scars or blemishes. And you can also apply it on your lips as a lip scrub. And massage nicely on your neck, around your chin, and then leave it on for about 10 minutes. So this is how my skin looks like right after washing, and then I'm just going to follow up with my normal skincare routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment down below. And I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.